Now, more details on the charge sheet are coming to the fore. The charge sheet is backed by witness statements, documentary evidence and forensic analysis, but the allegations are yet to be tested in court. As the case now moves into the judicial phase, it has intensified scrutiny of the systems meant to protect the integrity of India's largest entrance examinations and the public trust that they depend on. Let me go across to Sambhav Sharma for more on this. Sambhav, this case is now moving into its most crucial phase, which is the judicial phase, and we are getting these details from the charge sheet. It reveals some sort of connection to the NTA as well.
Well, absolutely. And also, as my colleague Javed is talking about the nitty-gritty details of this particular charge sheet filed by Central Bureau of Investigation in the Delhi's Rouse Avenue Court. Remember, a special fast-track court has been constituted after Prime Minister talked about constituting a fast-track court. Delhi High Court has constituted this fast-track court in Delhi's Rouse Avenue Court, which is currently dealing with this NEET UG paper leak case. And as my colleague Javed was talking about, 13 accused have been charge sheeted, named by the Central Bureau of Investigation in its detailed charge sheet, which is filed before the Delhi's Rouse Avenue Court. However, for the benefit of our viewers, I would like to tell that today, when the matter was there on taking cognizance of this charge sheet here, Delhi's Rouse Avenue Court, a special fast-track court, has clearly said that whether it is going to take cognizance or not on this will be decided on Monday. So Monday is going to be crucial in Delhi's Rouse Avenue Court as far as the charge sheet in this particular case is concerned. And also remember, I would like to add on, backgrounder to it, because see, this is a case where in a way we have seen protests at Jantar Mantar. Also, what happened in the Delhi High Court and Supreme Court earlier, because remember, National Testing Agency is under big scanner. And when the matter reached before the Supreme Court, two-judge bench of the Supreme Court is already aware of this particular case. And before the re-examination was conducted, as in June, before 21st of June, when the matter reached the Supreme Court has said that NTA is already in lot of pressure and let the examination be conducted. And now that the examination is over, Supreme Court has asked detailed affidavit from center as to detailing how exactly NTA is performing, the nitty-gritty details of the National Testing Agency. That center will have to reply for the Supreme Court, and also NTA will have to file a detailed reply. However, there are few students who approached the Supreme Court today itself seeking OMR seat verification. That was rejected. That particular petition was rejected today by Supreme Court and asked the applicants to move to the Delhi High Court. But yes, crucial, very crucial charge sheet is filed in Rouse Avenue Court, and cognizance of which will be taken on whether it is up to the court whether it takes cognizance or as to when it takes cognizance. But matter on cognizance is slated before Delhi's Rouse Avenue Court on Monday.
Sambhav, I'll request you as well to stay on with us. We are tracking multiple developments on this story. Well, this evening